Hey, I'm Rachel, Technical Director and Mess Maker here at Global Kingston, and thank you for joining me in the back workshop for Nail or Fail. And today's challenge is going to be the thing of my dad's nightmares. We are making edible glitter.
This challenge is broken into two parts. The first part is making edible glitter, and this will tie into the next challenge. There are a few different methods in making glitter. The one I chose is gelatin-based. It is a little bit of water with unflavored gelatin that is heated up slightly, and you add in luster dust, color gel, pearl sheen, and spread it over acetate paper thinly and leave it to sit for 24 hours. Then grind the living daylights out of it until it resembles fine glitter. Let's get her done.
We're going to pour in the water. Now we have to let this sit for about 5 minutes so it solidifies. Sounds so violent. That is very chunky. It's supposed to be really thin. This is really thick. It's not supposed to be jelly like this just yet. Close enough. I didn't get it as smooth as I should have, and it's still somewhat sticky. It's kind of spongy. Here we go. Gonna grind it. Not doing a good job, is it? Okay, it's starting to look like mush. Look at that. That's not really glittery. Should have just bought the damn glitter. That much glitter. Look at that. Look at that. That is glitter. Nice. This is what it should look like, but this is what it's mainly looking like. I think this is going to be a fail, and it's not even worth tormenting Wolichka with and putting all over his desk.
It took a second try, but we now have enough glitter to proceed to the next challenge.